Hello, this is Steve K here today, and today we are going to play Mr. Meat Part 2. You ready for another storyline with Mr. Meat? Let's get into this. We got this. Today, we are going to do the heroic rescue escape in helicopter. Yeah, of course, we're going to play in ghost mode because that's what we do. Just to mess with Mr. Meat. Okay, I don't want to see none of that, so goodbye. I don't want to see none of this. Yeah, we're all pigs. Yeah.
Are you all okay?
Alright, yeah, you're all pigs.
I can't believe it. You all turned into pigs.
Yeah, whatever. Alright, let's... Yeah, just a precaution.
It seems that the string contained my father's concoction. But how is that possible?
Well, that's Mr. Meat for you. Get out of here. Just give me your ID. I got time for this mess. Give it to me. Oh, let's go. Alright, we're going. Alright, let's go. We're gonna race. Let's do this. Let's open it. Alright, let's go. Gotta hurry. We're hurrying up and let's get this door open. It's going up. Going up. Open. Alright. There it is. A helicopter pad. We're gonna meet our friends and all this other good stuff. And then we're gonna go rescue them and they're gonna transform them to regular... From pigs to humans where they belong. Yeah, okay, what's up?
Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm the policeman who helped capture Mr. Meat a few years ago. I don't know what's going on now, but there seems to be quite a mess around here.
Of course.
Something just occurred to me. If we ask for help by radio, surely they will come to rescue us by helicopter.
Exactly.
It's a very large vehicle. You, me, and several other people could even escape at the same time.
Alright.
How? Are your friends and family pigs? If you
course.
can make sure you can make them human again, of course I'll help you. Still, jail is very dangerous.
Yeah, especially with Mr. Alright, see you later. You know, let's go do this. We're just gonna skimp all this good stuff. Alright, we're gonna go down. Hey, what's up? Get out of the way. You know what? Yeah, you can follow you on. Guess what? Just give me those keys. See you later. Thanks for the keys. That's right, you can't see me. Mr. Ghost Mode, because that's what I do. Alright, open the door. Hit the button. Let's go. Alright. No longer need that. Oh wait, drop the item. Crouch. Give it to me. Now let's go.
Hey, come over and open the door for me.
No. I don't think so. Why should I do anything for you? Alright, here we go. Okay, guys, check this out. See? This is where we're gonna make the potion and all that other good stuff, so. There he is. I gotcha, no problem. Let's do this. I'll be back. I gotta go get the antidote. All this other good stuff. Let's go. Ding ding ding. Let's make it quick. Yeah, pigtails and all this other stuff. Yay, get out of my way. Right.
Hey, you.
Yeah, what's
Come
up?
over here.
I'm right here.
What is a woman like you doing in this part of the prison? You don't work here, do you? Get me out of here quick. I have an important thing to do.
Okay.
I see, you don't have the keys.
Of course.
Well, if you do an errand for me, I'll compensate you with something you'll be interested in. The crippled guard has stolen something very important. Get it back for me. Take this. It will help you.
Give it to me then. Terry's home. Let's go.
Hey, you, open the door for me.
No, I'm not. Get out of here. Pigtails and all. Yeah. Alright, let's go. You're still in there? Right. Alright, let's go. Get up. Okay. Got it. Fixed. Take it. Oh, yeah, Mr. Cheese, I got you. Hold on. Miss your buddy, huh? Okay, here. You're still sitting there? Whatever. Alright, Mr. Cheese, I'm coming. Hold on, Mr. Cheese. I got your teddy back, but you gotta give me something that I want. There you go, Mr. Cheese. I mean, Mr. Little Cheese. Here you go.
Oh, thank you. I've been looking for it everywhere.
Uh-huh.
Beautiful thing.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Take this, girl.
Yeah.
I stole it from Mr. Meat.
That's fine.
I'm
Give it to
sure
me.
it will work for you.
It doesn't matter. Just give it to me. Give me the potion.
Handsome, precious.
Let's go.
Little
See you later.
Hey, you, open
No,
the door.
I'm not. Be quiet. Let's go do this. Alright. Let's go mix the concoction so we could go and do this. While that guy's still sleeping up a storm because I zapped him good enough. There you go. Let's do this. Here you go. Alright, and we're gonna do this again. This time we're gonna race. 1, 2, 3, go. Scooby, be quiet. Alright, let's do this. We are gone. Let's get the library pass. Let's go. Alright. Going in. Going up. Going right. Going left. Going right again. Get out of the way. Oh yeah? Snork at me. Eat some electricity. There, you like that. Let's do it. Oh, where are we going? Oh, down. You get out of my way. Oh, we go this way. Okay. Out of the way. We're going all the way through here. Going here, chopping through here. Who knows where Mr. Meat is? I have not seen him in the longest time, which is fine. Let's open this. Going up. Keep a going. Going in. Close it. Here. You know what? Okay. Complete it. Yeah, what's up? I need to steal this from you. See you later. Let's go. Pig 13, I'm coming for you. Be ready. Oh, there you are, Mr. Meaty. Sorry, Meat. Did you have a nice, shocking fall? No, I'm kidding. That's what you get. Yeah. Come here, pig. Here. Complete it now. Yeah. Complete it. Get out of here. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Ew. Come on, grab the darn thing. I got it. Ew. I can't believe I'm holding onto this. This is disgusting. Anything to get your friends back, obviously. You gotta hold this stuff. Wouldn't a glove be a little bit better than carrying it in your hand like that? Ew. Disgusting. Come on, hurry up. Let's go. Time waits for no man's land. Come on, get down these stairs. Stop playing around. Let's go. Chopping through here. Open the door. Alright, you ready? Here. There you go. There. Alright. Don't worry, Mr. White. We're gonna get you back. It's gonna take a little time though, so let's do this. Open it. Okay, let's do this. There. Completed now. There. Alright, let's do this. Let's go. Let's make it quick. We're going up these stairs, racing around here. Can't believe I had to carry poop in hand earlier. That was disgusting. Alright, Mr. Goof, if you come around me, I'll zap you once again. Alright, let's go. Where are you? Oh, you're still down. Alright, where are you? Come here. Staying still. There. All set. There. Completed, be quiet. Alright. Oh wait, you need to be... Come here. I said come here. There. You're all set now. Well, Mr. Mate must really be out, I guess. I don't need this anymore. Alright, let's do this. Let's go up here. I don't know where we're going, but we'll find out soon enough. Alright, I need the prison keys. Now I gotta go back. Yeah. Going down. All the way down. Open the door. I said open the door. Okay, hint. Drop the keys. I no longer need those anymore. Yeah. Here we go. Still going for it. Let's see what we gotta do next. Open the doors. Ah, the plug. Cool. Hint. Let's go. Alright. Guess we're putting something together, so give me a moment. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're in... oh. Complete it now. Right.
Alright, killer pigs, calm down. We are going to rescue you as soon as possible. Gather everyone on the roof.
Gather everyone on the roof. That means it's almost time for the cop to be Superman and go do his thing. Alright, let's go. Guess Mr. Meat's having a good sleep, but whatever. Let's go. Alright, what do we got here? I can't even reach it. What is this? Hold on a second. Oh, take the pigs to the rooftop. Why am I in here? Oh. Must be the wrong room, I guess. Get up. Let me see. Yeah. So, oh, there it is. Alright, finally we're gonna beat this game and Mr. Meat, I hope you're enjoying your sleep. Yeah, we're going. Don't worry, Cap. I'll be up there shortly, and you can do your Superman heroic stuff.
Psst, hey! Psst, hey! This hat, it's special. I feel the strength of it. Yeah! Ha ha!
Okay, He-Man. Everybody's at the roof, and then I'm gonna do my part, and we finally beat the game of Mr. Meat Part 2.
Now Rebecca is gonna have to play her part. Will she get them to come and rescue us?
Yeah. Obviously. Let's go up there, and let's leave this place, and call it a day. Let's go. Come on, move.
Great, Rebecca! You did it!
They're all back to normal. Congratulations. Family reunited.
My daughter Rebecca is a hero.
Thank you, sister. I had no doubt that you would save us all.
Well, there you have it. Mr. Meat Part 2. We saved the entire crew by a helicopter. And the cop's obviously going to have his last say-so, so let's listen into what he's got to say. Go ahead.
Come on. Get in the helicopter quickly. Everything is over. One last effort.
Let's get out of here. Quickly, please.
You have all done very well. You are truly brave. Especially you.
Yeah, we won. I guess this is the last scene for Mr. Meat.
Goodbye, Father.
Yep. Goodbye. We beat you, Mr. Meat. Once again, what does he say about it? No, I'm kidding. I'm joking. He doesn't do it this time, but only part one he does.
Mr. Meat, Rebecca is a very smart girl. Not only has she managed to escape from prison in one piece with all of the people, but she has also transformed her friends into humans.
Yeah, the girl is pretty smart. She resembles her father in that way.
Yep. And that's funny. What?
Well, what are we going to do now? Reinforcements won't take too long to arrive.
As usual, pack up our things and take the business to a place where the taste of good pork is appreciated.
By the way, guys, in the near future, there will be Mr. Meat Part 3. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and comment and subscribe to the Steve K's Notification Squad. And as always, I will see you in the next video. And thank you for watching. Hey, Mr. Meat, be quiet. I'm the star of the show. You're just there. Right, Meat? You see the chair? That's where you belong, Mr. Meat. You heard me. Bye, Meat. I beat you. Haha. Bye.